these events also act as the catalyst for fostering economic development. We are proud to have witnessed how Metaltech and Automex, with a long-standing history of close to 3 decades, have become renowned platforms, attracting industry leaders from around the globe and influencing machine tools manufacturing and the automation industries across the region.
We have been here since 2015, at least, I think. Main lead generation, actually. So meet manufacturers here, and yeah, have been great for us. That's why we're here 8 straight years.
Metaltech is, I think, the only exhibition in this field in Malaysia, and simply that is already enough to make it important for us.
Well, Metaltech, I think, is of course the biggest show in Malaysia. We generally tend around the Southeast Asia region to attend 1 show per country per year.
Metaltech is Malaysia's biggest exhibition, so we believe that come to Metaltech, we can increase our reputation and also bring some benefits to all our customers.
Metaltech, they can bring together the international suppliers, not just from Asia Pacific. You can also find some of the suppliers from Germany and also from Americans. Also, like a yearly important event for me.
For us, it's more a way to do branding, since we have started, as I say, in 2020 to spread our brand around Malaysia and Singapore. So it's the biggest, more or less, for any industry here in Malaysia.
It is a lot of companies that produce their own product. It is very interesting because there is some Malaysian companies, there is Chinese companies, Japanese companies, and it is great here, yes.
You have things for various industries, for oil and gas, for manufacturing and projects. I think it's helpful for all the industries, engineering plus manufacturing as well.
This event has been a catalyst in driving progress in the metalworking and machine tool industry for nearly 3 decades.
In our bid to promote knowledge sharing, joint R&D, and the creation of collaborative platforms to drive innovation and growth, we acknowledge that Metaltech and Automex 2023 as being another ideal platform to drive such initiatives. I have no doubt that this vibrant gathering of industry experts, exhibitors, visitors will inspire new ideas, create collaborations and partnerships that will shape the future of our industries.